This is BART after a Warriors game. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Blue. Yeah. Blue to Bayfair, and after we get off at Bayfair, to orange. We need to take the Dublin, yes.
6 on 2 line mail, 7 train out approaching platform 1.
It's okay. I gotta ride up for Davis.
Like to lean onward back, yeah.
Now boarding at Embarcadero. This is a blue line train to
6 car, 2 line mail, 7 train out origin, platform 1.
It's over there.
Car, yellow line train for Antioch in 5 minutes. 6 car, blue line train for OHA Airport, Dublin in 12 minutes.
the doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Green line service is not currently running. For orange line service to Barrios, take the Dublin bound blue line to Bayfair and transfer to the orange line.
Yep. Got the memo, brother.
Red line service is not currently running. For orange line service to Richmond, take the Antioch bound yellow line to 19th Street, Oakland, and transfer to the orange line.
Yep.
Take pause video. Take pause video. Stop pause video. Speech off.
Number train approaching.
8 car, yellow line train for Antioch in 3 minutes. 6 car, blue line train for OHA Airport, Dublin in 10 minutes.
boarding at Embarcadero. This is a yellow line train to
Yellow line train from Cisco Airport, 933 Dublin.
the doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Blue line train for Dublin, 7 minutes. Yellow line train for San Francisco Airport, operating 19 minutes.
Antioch train going to platform 2 in just a moment.
Pause video.
Train for Antioch in 1 minute.
1 minute.
6-car Blue Line train for OAK Airport, Dublin in 8 minutes. 8-car Yellow Line Antioch train now approaching track 42.
Please stand behind the yellow safety sign. Stay safe. Always keep away from the platform edge. Stand behind the yellow sign.
Now boarding at Embarcadero. This is a yellow line train to Antioch. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
And there she goes into the tube.
6-car Blue line train for Dublin City in 4 minutes. 8-car Yellow line train for San Francisco Airport, operating 15 minutes.
Pause video. Speech off.
For Dublin City in 2 minutes.
Pause video. Speech off.
Yellow line train for San Francisco Airport, operating 14 minutes.
Pause. Take picture. Pause video. Speech off.
6-car Blue Line train for OAK Airport, Dublin in 3 minutes. 8-car Yellow Line train for Antioch in 14 minutes.
We're going to be seeing a Daly City train coming on that side and a Dublin train coming on that side. That's a Muni. Here it
6-car
comes.
Blue line Daly City train now
That's Daly City.
approaching track 41.
Green Line service is not currently running. For Orange Line service to Berryessa, take the Dublin-bound blue line to Bayfair and transfer to the orange line.
That's the thing we said. We're going to Dublin.
Now boarding out Embarcadero. This is a Blue Line train.
6 cars, Blue Line Daily City train now aboard.
Red line service is not currently running. For orange line service to Richmond, take the Antioch-bound yellow line to 19th Street, Oakland, and transfer to the orange line.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Six car, blue line train for OHA Airport, Dublin from London. Six car, yellow line train for Antioch, Dublin.
Here's your times.
8 cars, Yellow Line train for San Francisco Airport delivering in 11 minutes. 6 cars, Blue Line train for Daly City in 19 minutes.
Stay safe. Never go on the track. If you drop something on the track, tell a BART employee and we will get it back.
Six car, blue line OHA Airport, Dublin train now approaching platform 2.
Yay!
Now boarding out Embarcadero. This is a Blue Line train to Dublin, Pleasanton. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Dice que era un normalito y...
Thank you so very much. Thank you. See that? Oh, thank you so much.
No, sí, ya la época va cambiando. Sí. Como ahora es Yaman, la new Yaman, todo eso.
Oh, but there's a seat right next to me if you like it.